Hello people, I'm Indiamoon from the India, and I want to welcome you to your very first HTML basics lesson. Well, I say lesson, but really, it's just an introduction. In this video, I want to give you a brief overview of everything that we are going to be covering in this course. But before we do that, it's time to talk about prerequisites. This is everything you need to know already before you start this course. And there it is, absolutely nothing. No, nothing at all to start this course. Saying that, it would be useful if you can turn a computer on, navigate to a website, and download some software. But apart from that, you need to know nothing about web design, HTML, or programming in general. This is a beginner's course, so we are going to start from the very beginning. So, what will we be covering? Well, we'll start with taking a look at what HTML is. And by this, I don't mean reading about the history of HTML. I mean looking at where it is now and how we use it with other web technologies to create websites. Then, we'll look at the structure of an HTML document and download some software to create documents ourselves. I'll show you how to create a web page from scratch, from the very beginning, and then throw in various elements that you might see on web pages, like text, links, lists, images, and various other tags. Next, we'll take a look at CSS. And CSS is more to do with the visual aspect of web pages, so we'll have a quick look at that, throw some CSS into our documents, and see how it all links together. And then, finally, we'll take a brief look at JavaScript as well. Now, JavaScript is the interactivity of a web page, and we are not going to dive too deeply into that, but I want to show you how it can be utilized with HTML. So, that's about it for this introduction. I hope you're going to join me on this course. You're going to go from HTML 0 to well on your way to being an HTML coder. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson. If you have any comments or questions, let me know below. Otherwise, subscribe to these videos and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please support Indiamoon channel.